You've heard it before, content is king. But here is the thing, without context, even the best content won't get you results. Hi, my name is Nirav. I'm the co-founder at Capsicum. So what's the difference between content and context? I'll help you break it down today. Content grabs attention. It's your blog post, videos, reels, carousels, case studies, everything you publish online to inform, entertain, or persuade the users. But context makes the content relevant. It ensures that the message reaches the right person in the right way at the right time. Without that, even the best written piece or most creative reel can fall flat. Here is an example. Let's say you've created a detailed SEO guide packed with a lot of advanced techniques. Now imagine sending it to someone who's just launched their website last week and is still trying to understand what SEO even is. It's not that your content is bad, it's great, but the context is wrong. That person feels really overwhelmed, maybe even discouraged, and likely won't even take any action. Now let's flip the situation. Send that same guide to a startup founder who's been running ads and ranking a few pages and is ready to level up. Boom. Relevance, timing, and results. That's the power of context. So, how do you balance content and context? Number one, you need to know your audience. You've got to understand who you are talking to, what are their pain points, are they beginners or advanced users, what challenges are they facing right now. The better you know them, the easier it is to create content that feels personal and will hit home. Number two, segment your messaging. Not every piece of content should go to everyone. A common mistake brand makes is sending the same email to the entire list. But a lead who just signed up isn't the same as a loyal customer. So tailor your message. Use email segmentation, retargeting, dynamic ads, whatever it takes to match the message to the moment. Number three, time it right. Timing can change or break engagement. Ever launched a sales pitch before warming up your audience or pushed a festive offer in middle of a product launch? Even great content loses its impact if the timing is off. So, align your content with where the user is in their journey. Awareness, consideration, or decision making. When you get the balance right, content not only grabs the attention, it will drive action. It informs, it connects, it builds trust, and most importantly, it will convert your users. Because now you are not just creating content for content's sake, you are creating value in context. Wake up, it's time to go digital. Like, share, comment, and stay tuned for more insights.